Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a fan of rugged American trucks with a strong retro vibe, then buckle up, because today we're diving into something truly special, the 2025 GMC 6500 vintage pickup truck. This isn't just a truck, it's a statement, a bold return to classic design blended with modern power and tech. GMC has revived this legend with an impressive mix of old-school charm and new-age performance, and I can't wait to show you everything. Let's start with the first thing that catches your eye, the exterior. The 2025 GMC 6500 Vintage is a love letter to the golden era of pickups, drawing inspiration from the late 60s and early 70s models. You'll immediately notice the squared-off front end with that wide, imposing grille, proudly rocking the GMC lettering front and center in bold chrome. The round LED headlamps are a modern twist on the old seal beam look, surrounded by polished bezels that ooze nostalgia. The body lines are sharp, straight, and purposeful. It's got a high shoulder stance with slightly flared fenders and a boxy silhouette that pays homage to the era when trucks were built tough and looked even tougher. Chrome bumpers, steel side mirrors, and those optional white wall tires mounted on retro-styled 20-inch wheels really bring the throwback aesthetic full circle. But don't let the vintage looks fool you. This thing is built with aluminum panels and modern corrosion-resistant materials, so it's ready for the long haul. Moving around to the back, the tailgate features embossed GMC badging just like the old days. You've got functional bed tie-downs, an available wood-grain bed floor, and a rear-view camera discreetly tucked in under the tailgate handle. It's that blend of style and utility that makes this truck stand out in today's market. Now let's open the door and step inside. While the outside screams vintage, the cabin is all about comfort, functionality, and subtle nostalgia. You're immediately greeted with a mix of high-grade leather and durable cloth upholstery, depending on the trim. The dashboard is slab-styled, evoking that classic pickup look. But GMC has smartly integrated a full digital driver display and a 12-inch central infotainment screen with their latest IntelliLink system. The analog-style speedometer and tachometer graphics, complete with retro fonts, are digital recreations but feel totally authentic. There's brushed metal detailing on the steering wheel, air vents, and dash inserts, along with optional real wood trim that looks absolutely stunning. Climate control knobs have a tactile, chunky feel, and they're modeled after old-school HVAC dials, but they control dual-zone automatic climate settings. The seats are supportive and wide, perfect for long drives or weekend work. In higher trims, you get heated and ventilated front seats, wireless phone charging, and even massaging functions. The cabin is remarkably quiet thanks to active noise cancellation and triple-sealed doors. Storage options are plentiful, with underseat compartments, dual glove boxes, and massive door pockets. Rear passengers aren't forgotten either. There's good legroom, especially in the crew cab version, with dedicated USB-C ports and rear AC vents. Under the hood, the 2025 GMC 6500 Vintage doesn't just rely on looks to turn heads. Powering this beast is a 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel V8, tuned to deliver 470 horsepower and a jaw-dropping 975 pound-feet of torque. That power is channeled through an Allison 10-speed automatic transmission, giving you smooth shifts whether you're cruising the highway or hauling heavy gear. This truck has serious capability. It can tow up to 24,000 pounds when properly equipped and has a max payload of over 6,000 pounds. Whether you're towing trailers, hauling construction materials, or heading out for a weekend of off-roading, the GMC 6500 Vintage is up for the job. You've also got selectable drive modes, normal, tow/haul, off-road, and snow, that adjust throttle response, transmission behavior, and traction control settings. Despite its heavy-duty nature, ride quality is surprisingly refined. The suspension setup includes independent front suspension and multi-leaf rear springs with adaptive dampers, which help manage bumps and uneven roads without compromising durability. Steering feels responsive and nicely weighted for a truck this size, and optional four-wheel steering helps with maneuverability in tighter spaces. Fuel economy isn't its strongest point, let's be real, it's a big diesel-powered truck. But GMC has managed to squeeze out a respectable 18 miles per gallon combined, thanks to smart engine tuning and a lightweight chassis. So, how much does this retro powerhouse cost? The base trim starts at around $59,000, which gives you the essential vintage styling, a robust diesel engine, and core features like the 12-inch display and advanced safety tech, including automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and trailer sway control. Move up to the mid-range Heritage Edition at around $68,000 and you'll get more premium interior materials, a surround view camera system, adaptive cruise control, and the classic two-tone paint options. At the top of the range, you've got the Legacy trim, which goes for about $79,000. That gets you everything: upgraded leather, ventilated and massaging seats, Bose premium audio, wood grain bed accents, four-wheel drive with locking differentials, and more. Honestly, it's a high price tag, but you're getting a truck that's both a workhorse and a showpiece. So, is the 2025 GMC 6500 vintage pickup truck worth it? If you're someone who loves the timeless look of old-school pickups but doesn't want to give up modern convenience, power, or comfort, this truck nails the balance. It's not just another nostalgic gimmick. It's a well-engineered, fully capable vehicle that pays respect to the past while driving confidently into the future. Alright guys, that's it for today's review. If you like this breakdown of the GMC 6500 Vintage, hit that like button, drop a comment on your favorite retro truck of all time, and don't forget to subscribe for more real deal reviews. Until next time, keep the wheels turning and the engines roaring.